turn the key on. Send it to Miles, please. Crank it over, dude.
All right, cylinder 3 right here, compression test. Go ahead. About 170 PSIs. We have cylinder 2 misfire code along with history on cylinder 1. Cylinder 1 was 120 PSI. Cylinder 2 we're about to do, last test was 70 PSIs. Go ahead, Doyle. Now we're gonna go do a leak down on it, on cylinder 2, which I've already performed. It was
You're good, Doyle.
It was 53% leak down on cylinder 2 coming out of the crankcase, as I'm about to demonstrate. To get it at top dead compression stroke, I hook up a pressure gauge. Whenever I start seeing pressure on the gauge, that means that I'm on compression stroke. And then I'll finish it off putting it at top dead center with the camera. Right there, I'm on compression stroke. I'm gonna back off. Scope's inside the cylinder number 2. Piston's coming up, going to the top dead center, which is gonna be right there. Gonna hook up the cylinder leak down tester made by OTC. Highly recommended. Part number 5609 in case you ever want to buy one. As I start raising the pressure up, going to 100% pressure, got this test around 51 or 49% leak down with all air coming out of the crankcase. Nothing out of the reservoir, nothing out of the companion cylinder, nothing out of the intake nor the exhaust. All air coming out of the crankcase, meaning bad piston rings. Cylinder 1 was 120 PSI compression with 35% leak down, and it was also coming out of the crankcase.